how to get good marks if you start preparing for your NEET exams, how to score 700 plus marks in 8 months, or NCRT, which book to follow. Work on yourself in a very nice way. You have to do best every day because you are your best judge. Write down your strength or weaknesses in your subjects. How to analyze that, I will tell you, right? For that, what exactly you have to do, I will tell you ahead. Who really are confused that what to do, so this video surely gonna help them out. Hello my dear lovely students, I Rashmi Mamgai welcome you here at Physics Wala English, and today we are just going to discuss that how to get good marks if you start preparing for your NEET exam this month itself, or like you have started preparing few months back or few weeks back. How to get the, or how to start from the scratch. So watch this video till the end, and those friends you feel that they are confused that how to utilize these 8 months nicely, or they feel lost or they feel confused, then this video, you can share this video with your friends, right? So we are just going to see all the strategy, how to get good marks, how to score 700 plus marks in 8 months, or NCRT, which book to follow, and then what to do, what are the whole things that you have to follow in order to gain confidence and that efficiency and accuracy for your exam, right? So stay with me till the end. We are just going to discuss everything, all the books, everything that you need to do. So first thing I would say that believe in yourself. No, if somebody are saying you that you can do it or cannot do it, so they are just telling their limitation. So ultimately, we know you have to be honest with yourself. And you have to, work on yourself in a very nice way. You have to do best every day because you are your best judge. Nobody knows you better than you yourself, right? So you have to believe in yourself that I have that enthusiasm, I have that dedication. So I would definitely do my best for the NEET exam. And if you do best, if you put your whole and soul for any activity, to do any task, it would definitely gonna do miracle. Trust me. Second, you don't waste your time on unnecessary things, unnecessary matter, or in the social media, right? So I would say that it's the matter of 8 months. So make sure that you are not wasting your time on the unnecessary matters in your life or unnecessary things, right? You can just keep all this thing for the next year because it's the matter of your future. If you want to be in this noble profession, you have to sacrifice, you have to devote time, you have to give your whole soul for this exam. And this is your age where you don't have to think about all these things, rather you have to focus on your career, right? So make sure today itself you are deleting your unnecessary social media or distraction from your life, right? Next is know your strength and weaknesses. How to know our strength and weaknesses? We know that we are our better judge, so always be honest with yourself at least, right? And just tell yourself, realize that or just write down your strength or weaknesses in your subjects. How to analyze that, I will tell you, right? For that, what exactly you have to do, I will tell you ahead. So there are two types of student with us. So first, students, they are starting from day one. Their syllabus is about to complete, or whole syllabus is covered because they are droppers. They did it already in the last year, and this time also we have completed the this dropper batch, right? So their syllabus is about to over, and they only need revision in September, October, November, December, January, February. So these people can revise, practice, and practice gonna make them super perfect. And you know that nowadays NEET exam is all about accuracy and efficiency because paper is super easy from NCRT only, right? But what exactly you have to do, you have to solve ample amount of question. You have to put the timer for 3 hours, and then you have to solve the question you have to maintain the same pressure on you, or same this environment around you that you are just giving the exam, and you have to complete this in 3 hours. So initially it will be difficult, but with practice, you would be able to achieve that accuracy and efficiency. How to achieve that, how to practice, don't worry, I will be telling you this in detail ahead. And then there are the other students who started preparation few weeks back. Their syllabus is not covered, or few syllabus is covered so far. They are managing NEET and board, means the 12th class students, those who are going to appear for the NEET exam next week. So next year. So how to prepare in these 8 months, how to manage everything in the 8 months, their NEET and board. So we will see all the points here. So when we talk about these students who are preparing for the, who are just, who have started their preparation, right? So kids, first of all, I would suggest you one thing, that be consistent in your classes. If you are taking classes or if you are doing the self-study, be consistent with this. It doesn't mean that you are just taking the class one day, missing the class other day, revising one day, missing the other day. No. So all the exam or all the good level exam require consistency, right? So you have to maintain that consistency. You have to, after the class, you have to revise everything that you did and make sure you are preparing the notes, because many students do this mistake, but topper never do this mistake. They always make their notes properly. They maintain their notes. They just, write down whatever the teacher saying, and then they just solve the question. They incorporate whatever they find new in the question, new concept in the question, and in that ways they make their notes super rich. They are just taking out all the points from NCERT and putting it in the notes, so that they are revising same notes many times, and all the things will be imprinted in their head. And so that whenever they are going for the test or they are appearing for the test, they know they won't be confused. They know all the examples. They are able to solve all the questions very nicely without any confusion. On the contrary, if you are not making the notes, then you are really doing a big mistake, because you will remain confused throughout the test and throughout your exam. If you have any backlogs, make sure that you are covering it, right? So on Saturdays, Sundays, or take holidays from school when you feel that today is not important day, you can do that. But you have to keep in mind that don't keep any backlog. Be consistent in the class due to some urgency. If you have missed any class, make sure that you are doing it that week itself, right? And after doing all this thing, you have to solve the question. So kids, this is really important. If you really want to be accurate, if you want to increase your efficiency, confidence, then you have to do it. And those kids who are not practicing question, they feel lazy. They feel like, oh, abhi to I cannot do that, right? So don't actually do that, right? So don't procrastinate when it comes to solving question, because it's really important. Why? Because it's theory is good. Some people collecting theory from this teacher, from that teacher, and they feel that they know everything. But let me tell you, this is not the way to crack the NEET exam. This is the competitive exam. You require efficiency, accuracy, and that will come only by solving ample amount of questions. No matter from where you are studying, no matter how much content you are gathering from here, there, you will remain confused throughout the exams, throughout the session. So don't do this mistake, kids, right? So just choose your one teacher and make the notes properly and solve the question. Solve ample amount of questions, thousand questions from one chapter. From each topic, you have to solve at least 20-30 questions in order to get the idea that what kind of question they can ask in the exam, so that you won't be confused at the day of your exam, right? You make mistake while you're doing the mock test in your institute or somewhere, or like self-test. So there you can make the mistake, learn from it, make the notebook where you are solving all the questions chapter-wise, topic-wise, so that when you are having exam next day, you already have all the questions solved in the next textbook, and you are just referring it and solving it again, and then you are done with the all concept. You have done your notes, you have revised all the questions. Now what left? Nothing. So these kids are gonna make it happen, right? So they are just going to get their dream college, not the kids who are so lazy, procrastinating all the time, that we'll do the question next week, and then they are piling up all the questions and then they don't solve it. Don't do that mistake, kids. So yes, question practice is super important. So make sure that you are having any module or any books having all the questions topic wise, like many question topic wise, 500,000 question from each chapter, based on the NEET exam pattern, latest NEET exam pattern, because we know that nowadays they are asking more question on match the following, assertion reason, or this statement based question. So you make sure that that is based on the latest NEET pattern, and plus it should have the previous year question also. Solving previous year question is so important, because it's going to give you idea that what kind of questions, what type of concepts they are repeating in the exam, because NEET exam mein a lot of things are repeated. Trust me, a lot of the things are repeated, right? Next, you have to appear again. I have told you that you have to do the daily practice sheet. You have to solve all the question from your modules topic wise. So suppose one topic is covered, you have to make sure that you just solve solve all the question that week itself. And when you are having any doubt, don't keep it in yourself. Ask your teacher the same day, other day, and just maintain the notebook where you are solving all the questions. So just write down the concept, you get confused, right? So that when you are having exam next day, all the confused topics you have solve all the question in the book, in the notebook, so you would be able to manage it. You would be able to revise it very nicely before the exam, so that on the day of your exam everything will be sorted out. So yes kids, daily practice paper and then appearing for the mock test are super important, because it's kind of test match, right? So it's kind of test match. You have to it's just giving you confidence for that, for the exam day, right? It's just boosting up your efficiency or your confidence or your accuracy. So that's really important. If you are not appearing for the test, just gathering the notes from here and there, trust me, you never gonna crack the NEET in that ways, right? So you have to be very consistent, stick with one content and just practice it 1,000 times, right? So practice one content 1,000 times, one book 1,000 times, and practice ample amount of question. That is the key to crack any competitive exam, right? Previous year question, yes, you have to solve previous year question. Again, I have told you it will could give you good example, right? I mean, good this idea that what kind of concepts are repeated. NCERT and exemplars. I'm sure you kids are well aware about the NCERT and exemplar book. NCERT exemplar having good level questions. So don't miss NCERT exemplar also. And also even NCERT, right? You have to read NCERT. You have to read it very nicely. And I have made the video that which NCERT you have to follow. New NCERT with some additional topic. What topics you have to add in new NCERT? Already made the previous video. You can check it out, right? Next is the, so I have told you that what exactly you have to follow, right? If you really want to, and you have to be very consistent in all these things. Next, test. Why test is important? So kids, test is super important. You have to appear for the test very regularly. Make sure that, you are appearing for the topic wise or, this chapter wise test, right? Analyze your performance, right? What's your weak point? What's your strength? What's your weak point? Which subject, in which subject you are not doing good? In which subject you are doing very good, right? So give more time, prioritize your time. Time management important. What is time management? Give time to that subject, to that topic which you find so difficult. So you have given the test, you know that you are getting less marks in this topic. Make sure that week you are working on that weak point, right? And utilize your all holidays. Utilize, or whenever you feel that today in school I'm not gonna do anything, so just skip the school, right? Or utilize your school time. If you are in the class 12th, utilize your school time, because we know that a lot of the time we waste in the school, right? So don't do that. Utilize that time, solve the question there, revise the things, revise the class notes there, right? Or solve the questions of modules. So that in that ways you can utilize your time beautifully. Give more time to the subject you feel that you are weaker at, right? So that's really important. Analyze your performance, analyze your weak point, do the test for yourself. Don't feel shy or like, what if I don't get good marks, people gonna judge me. No, it's ultimately your performance, right? It's ultimately your analysis, it's ultimately your improvement. So do mistake, as much mistake you can do in the mock test, but so that you will be perfect at the day of your exam, right? So kids, never feel like people will judge you. And in case you feel that test this time I was not prepared well, I'm not getting good marks, reattempt that test at home itself, right? Reattempt that test at home and maintain your notebook. I have told you for all the questions where you are writing all the test question also. And if you are so consistent with doing all this thing, no, let me tell you, miracle gonna happen. And then you have to, give a lot of the test. Why I'm emphasizing on the notes, I'm emphasizing on the test, I'm emphasizing on the, solving the question papers, because that is the key. Yes, you have got it right. That is the key. So share it with your friends who really are confused at what to do. So this video surely gonna help them out. And I have told you all the things that is required to gain the confidence, to gain that accuracy and efficiency in order to score 650 plus marks consistently in the mock test, and then keep improving, take it to the 700 plus also, right? So kids, I'm sure that now you are going to do everything that is required. You are just utilizing your time, solving all the questions, and not running after collecting the notes from everywhere. So don't do that, because it's gonna confuse you only, right? And if you want to be very crisp, want to be very clear, I have told you this strategy. So I hope, and those kids who are like already done with their syllabus, make sure that you are practicing questions, as many questions as you can. And make sure that you are making the short notes, right? Short notes or mind map or like formula sheet or all the examples of the biology, paste it on the wall and just write down all the organic chemical reaction, how they are related. I used to do that, and I always recommend this to my dear like students. Like, so always do this. Just paste it on the wall and keep revising everything, these things in the morning, and you will feel that you are not forgetting anything. All the formula are fitted in your head, all the examples are fitted in your head, or all the reactions, how they are related, are fit in your head. And make sure that when you are solving, when you are revising anything, you are writing also, speaking loud, because in that ways you would be able to remember things for the longer time, right? So that is also very important. You will not get confused while you are writing or solving the questions, right? So all the best, kids. In case you have anything in your head, please write down in the chat box. Have a great day.